Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 2121, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 2121? What's the symbolism of 2121? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 2121 mean for love? What does 2121 mean for twin flames? What does 2121 for manifestation? How does angel number 2121 affect finances? What does 2121 mean for former relationships? How does 2121 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 2121? What are the weaknesses of angel number 2121? What's the meaning of angel number 2121? Angel number 2121 is a powerful message about balance, harmony, and new beginnings. It combines the energies of numbers 2 and 1, both appearing twice for emphasis. Number 2 symbolizes cooperation, intuition, and relationships, while number 1 represents leadership, independence, and fresh starts. Seeing 2121 suggests you're on the brink of positive change, and your angels encourage faith and persistence. It's a sign to remain patient, trust your inner guidance, and maintain optimism. The universe is aligning opportunities for growth, and this number confirms that your thoughts and intentions are shaping your reality. Stay focused and positive. What's the symbolism of angel number 2121? The symbolism of angel number 2121 lies in duality, harmony, and forward motion. Number 2 symbolizes partnerships, diplomacy, and inner balance, while number 1 represents personal strength, initiative, and the creation of new paths. Together, these numbers reflect the balance between collaboration and independence. 2121 is symbolic of cycles, endings that lead to new beginnings. It encourages you to release fear, align with your purpose, and make decisions from a place of peace. Its mirror-like repetition reflects the need to trust in divine timing and the importance of self-awareness. Symbolically, it's a sign of spiritual alignment and internal recalibration. What is the angel number 2121 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 2121 signifies awakening, balance, and divine partnership. The number encourages you to trust in the process of life and maintain spiritual alignment through mindfulness and intuition. It's a message that your angels are supporting your path, helping you harmonize inner and outer experiences. The spiritual lesson of 2121 is about letting go of resistance, embracing your divine nature, and stepping into new beginnings with trust and peace. It reminds you to align your actions with your spiritual truths, use your gifts for good, and stay centered in your higher self as you navigate important life changes. What does the angel number 2121 mean for love? In love, angel number 2121 brings a message of harmony, mutual understanding, and new romantic phases. It suggests that balance is needed in your emotional life, whether you're in a relationship or single. If partnered, it encourages open communication and compromise to strengthen your bond. If single, 2121 signals that love is on the horizon, especially a connection that brings peace and growth. It's a reminder to heal emotional wounds, trust in divine timing, and remain open to love that supports your highest self. The number points to relationships built on trust, cooperation, and spiritual compatibility. What does angel number 2121 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 2121 symbolizes balance, union, and divine timing. The repeated pattern reflects the mirroring aspect of twin flame relationship. It often appears when both individuals are growing spiritually and being prepared for reunion or a deeper phase of their connection. The number urges patience, self-reflection, and trust in the journey. It highlights the importance of emotional and energetic harmony before union can fully occur. 2121 encourages each twin to focus on inner peace, personal development, and maintaining faith in the divine plan that governs twin flame paths, even through periods of separation or uncertainty. What does angel number 2121 for manifestation? Angel number 2121 is a strong sign that your thoughts and intentions are manifesting rapidly. It tells you to stay focused on your desires and maintain a positive mindset, as the universe is responding to your vibration. The number 1 represents new beginnings and creation, while 2 emphasizes trust and patience. This number combination means your goals are within reach if you align your actions with your intentions and remain open to opportunities. It's a message to release doubts and let your inner guidance lead the way. Manifestation thrives when your heart, mind, and energy are in full alignment. How does angel number 2121 affect finances? Financially, angel number 2121 encourages smart decisions, balance, and trust in abundance. It suggests that financial stability is possible if you manage resources wisely and avoid impulsive choices. The number 2 implies partnerships and cooperation, indicating that collaboration or support from others may benefit your financial journey. The influence of 1 highlights leadership and innovation, signaling that new financial opportunities may arise from personal initiative. Whether starting a business, changing careers, or budgeting, this number supports prosperity through mindful planning and faith in your financial path. Trust that abundance will follow when your actions align with purpose and patience. What does angel number 2121 mean for former relationships? Angel number 2121 suggests healing, closure, and self-discovery in regard to former relationship. It urges you to reflect on the lessons learned and release any lingering resentment or attachment. The number 2 highlights emotional understanding, while 1 signifies new beginnings. Together, they encourage you to forgive, find inner peace, and move forward with clarity. If unresolved emotions remain, now is the time to address them. 2121 supports a shift from emotional pain to personal empowerment. It's a spiritual nudge that your past does not define you, and by releasing it, you open yourself to healthier, more aligned connections. How does angel number 2121 guide your work life? In work and career, angel number 2121 points to balance, initiative, and meaningful opportunities. It suggests you're ready to take a leadership role or explore a new direction that aligns with your purpose. The number encourages cooperation and adaptability, valuable traits in team settings or business ventures. If you've been feeling stuck or uncertain, this number affirms that change is near and your efforts are being supported. Trust your instincts, stay focused, and be willing to embrace new opportunities. 2121 is a reminder that professional fulfillment comes from aligning your passions with your work and staying grounded through transitions. What are the strengths of angel number 2121? Angel number 2121's strengths include emotional balance, strong intuition, and the ability to manifest new beginnings. It carries a calm yet powerful energy that promotes resilience and harmony during life changes. Individuals resonating with 2121 often have the gift of diplomacy, clear communication, and the capacity to build lasting partnership. This number empowers forward movement while honoring emotional intelligence and spiritual awareness. Its repeating structure reflects inner strength and a steady connection to higher guidance. These strengths help you adapt, lead, and inspire others while maintaining peace in your personal and professional life. What are the weaknesses of angel number 2121? Despite its positive qualities, angel number 2121 may also reveal tendencies toward indecision, passivity, or emotional dependency. The strong focus on balance can lead some to avoid necessary conflict or delay important decisions. Number 2's desire for harmony can sometimes overshadow the assertiveness of number 1, resulting in people-pleasing behaviors or self-doubt. Additionally, there may be challenges in fully trusting one's own intuition or direction. To overcome these weaknesses, 2121 encourages embracing change confidently, trusting your instincts, and not fearing temporary disruption in the pursuit of long-term peace and growth. Balance does not mean avoiding necessary transformation.